A few friends and I attended the Bauhaus second Thursday of the month motorcycle ride-in again yesterday.
Wonderful show, getting crazy. We're here supporting Mike's habit.
All right. The variety of motorcycles at this show is simply incredible. Everything from 1920s Harley Davidsons to modern full-dresser touring bikes. There are scooters, there are Honda Monkeys, there are adventure bikes, there are old 70s Hondas and Kawasaki's. It's really an awesome show. Thanks for watching my video, and if you liked it, hit the like button and think about subscribing.